bad. S&P today, overall, nothing. I took an L on this, if you saw in the chat. So did Lisa. She doesn't follow any of my profitable plays. Only the one that loses, and she'll remind you. Just kidding. I wasn't. If you guys saw in the chat, I went ahead and went long before market opens, but I only did five MES. And anytime you guys see me do that, because I trade the actual ES contract, but instead of doing that, I wanted to dial it back, so I went with half the position, went with 5 MES, and I'll show you why. We were kind of right here. We were sideways. We didn't really give anything up. We rejected that zone at first. Came back in. It was like, oh, here we go. So I put my stop below here. That wick did get me because my stop was right here. This was not one of the times where I miss it by a tick. If that wick wasn't there, I would still be in this, which is what's incredibly annoying. And to be honest, I might, if we hold here, gosh, if it's even later tonight, like 11 p.m., and I check this and we're still here, I'll probably get back in. With it being lower and not up here, I'll go a full ES contract, stop below this wick, and I will probably want to punch a baby turtle in the face if that loses. I don't know where that came from, but anyway, watch out if you're a baby turtle and that tags out. As far as the S&P goes, I don't know why we've been going over expected moves because it did nothing today. NASDAQ did a little something. You know, we gapped up, played the back and forth game, still holding out in between these two. I got to be honest, that doesn't look bad. Bear flag or reversal, at least you got a zone play from the top. Doesn't look bad to actually go along that. If it wasn't for my stop being so close on the ES trade I just pointed out, I would rather probably take the NASDAQ trade. Grandpa Dow hanging in, even that looks stronger than the S&P. That one also doesn't look bad for a long play. Your stop's going to have to be down here, though. As far as my meta play goes today, all I did, I was going to sell Palantir. I just didn't. Now, meta, I was able to actually, let's see, there was a little bounce there. I was waiting for it to get over, and then as it started to bounce, I sold the 500 strike put down here, and I collected $315 for it. So a lot of capital for only $300. But that's what I did. We were selling off. We were at a zone play. It was below the expected move. So, like, we'll get that. Overall, I probably could have sold a little bit higher. Man, and it's just for this Friday. You know, if we hang out here, I don't know if I'll sell the 500s next week. I might start bumping it up to maybe even the 515s.